Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm here at the Apple Store in Beijing, Xidan Joy City branch. The store is located next to Zara in Beijing, Xidan Joy City. The big highlight: the brand new iPhone scene has just launched, and the store is buzzing with excitement. Let's go inside and take a closer look. The store was packed today, not just with locals, but with many foreigners as well, all curious to check out the latest Apple devices. The vibe was a mix of tech excitement and shopping energy front and on various counters, the brand new iPhone 17 and its variants. Sleek, premium, and definitely the main attraction. Apple fans were lining up to get hands-on with the new models, testing the cameras, display, and features. This launch has definitely caught everyone's attention here in Beijing. Beyond the iPhone 17, the store had plenty of other Apple favorites: AirPods, MacBooks, iPads, and of course the previous iPhone models like the 16 and 15. It's a full showcase of Apple's ecosystem, giving shoppers a chance to compare and decide what fits best. What stood out was the excitement from both Chinese customers and international visitors. It shows how global Apple's appeal is. The brand continues to be a major draw for tech lovers everywhere. So that's a quick tour of the Apple Store here at Xidan Joy City in Beijing. The iPhone 17 launch has brought in a lot of hype, and it's clear that Apple continues to have a strong fan base in China. If you want me to make a detailed review of the iPhone 17, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more China tech and travel vlogs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.